here. Alright, y'all already know what time it is. The grind don't stop on this channel. So, we got the iPhone 12 Pro. We got a case for it. And also, we got the really hot item, the Magsafe. And we're going to talk about all three of these, get into it, unbox it, do what we do best on this channel. Alright guys, I got goals today, you got goals today. You already know what time it is. It don't stop. Let's get it started. Alright guys, so let's get it started. Really excited for this. I've been waiting for this for so long. Glad it came out on release day the 23rd. Because I thought it was going to be 2 weeks late, but it came out on time. It took a while, but it is what it is. So, here's the iPhone 12 itself. Looks exactly like the 11, but you can definitely see the difference with the LiDAR right here and the flash and the cameras. It looks like it's more out than usual, and the big notice that I really feel is how it's more square. It's not rounded anymore. Like, you can tell that the 10 is more rounded, while this is just square. Alright, so what's new with Apple? As you guys see, there is no power block and no headphones. And honestly, I say good riddance. Who cares? We don't even use them anyway.
That motherfucker second shin is...
So what's inside of here is the lightning cable, and that's pretty much it. I wish it was a lightning C, but I guess it's asking for too much from Apple, and it feels different. It feels really good in the hands compared to my previous phone. Alright, so we're just gonna turn it on, power it up. So, same as always, Apple has Face ID. And so I'm really excited about this phone. I did notice the 5G when I first turned it on before I used my own Wi-Fi. So that is on the phone and the location where I'm at. So that's good. So I do have the capability of using the 5G power. So great. I'm comfortable with that because most places don't even have 5G towers. Let alone some people don't even have internet in some of the areas. I'm grateful to be taking advantage of the full power of this phone. Alright, so while it's downloading, I'm gonna unbox the other stuff. As of course, if you already seen my previous video, I already done an unboxing of the Magsafe Charger, but that was with the XS, but I'm gonna do it with the iPhone 12. As you know, you just unravel it, and then you just slide this part out. And if you haven't seen my video, it has some weight to it. It has that aluminum, it's aluminum all around. I'm not sure what the material is, I'm assuming it's aluminum. With the charging pad right here, and also the cord is not a USB, unfortunately. It is actually a USB Type-C, so you're gonna have to get a USB Type-C outlet, or you can actually get a Magsafe power brick to actually use, or a laptop charger, if you guys don't know what that is. And this has 15 watt, and I've used it on my phone, and honestly, I'm gonna be quite honest with you, it's nice and convenient, but honestly, it's very slow compared to a wired charger. So honestly, I've been using my wired charger compared to this, and you could say it depends on the watt and the electric, I guess, but the max is 15 watt. As you guys know, I have a 16-inch MacBook Pro, so that does come with the 90 watt Magsafe, so I'm not really sure how much additional power that it needs or if that even matters, but it was just slow to me. Next, I'm gonna unbox the case, and this is the iPhone 12 Magsafe Charger. So you can actually see the Magsafe indent right here. And also, as I noticed, it's very square also, which is good. So it'll fit right with the iPhone 12. And you know, it's just silicone, your simple silicone, nice material. I think blue on blue is okay. If you guys think I should get a different color, let me know what color I should get. But I thought blue on blue was alright. So this is how the whole phone looks with the case on it. It looks pretty nice in my opinion. I like it. Hey, as long as I like it, that's all that matters, right? Because I'm using the phone.
Them niggas the fucking drip, man. You crazy?
While everything is loading, let's go to the camera, see what's new. So of course you got the time lapse, slow-mo. Of course you got the video, which looks nice. And you got the 4K video option that looks so beautiful. Also, you have the different time zoom. You have your wide angle, your regular, your standard view, and also you have the telephoto. And also you can actually get a little bit closer to up to 6. And if you go onto your photos, you can actually go up to times 10. And you can just see the detail. Look at this. And then of course you got portrait mode. And then you got the panorama. Alright, so this is the phone itself. You may notice something that's kind of funny about it, and this is this part right here. So this is actually an indent right here in the phone. So the power button is right here, and then the indent is actually right here. This indent part is actually for the 5G, to actually capture the 5G and go throughout your phone for that wireless capability. Also, you have the 2 speakers right here at the bottom with the lightning port cable. Again, I wish it was USB Type-C, but you know, you gotta be fair, right? If I'm gonna be tough on Samsung, I gotta be tough on my own company. So right here is the SIM card port, of course, your volume control, and also your bell icon. All right, so of course, for the video purposes, you do get your 4K. Also, you get your full HD in video. But for the cameras, they're all gonna be 12 megapixels of cameras, so they all gonna have good quality. And I cannot wait to test this out. So guys, if you wanna see me test this out, let me know. On the side, I do photography. So if you wanna see some great photography pictures from this phone, just subscribe to my channel, and I'm gonna do a whole lot of tests on this phone. We'll do an audio test, camera test. All right guys, lastly, to end this video, I'm gonna use the Magsafe Charger, which is a 15 watt. I have a 96 watt Magsafe. So this is from my MacBook Pro. So I'm gonna use this onto phone and see if it does a difference in power. Like I said, I already tried it, but it may be a difference with the iPhone 12. So let's see how it is. All right, so I'm gonna place it on the Magsafe. Here we go. So that's a dope animation, right? That's something new. That was not on my iPhone XS, if you noticed in the last video. So it has a new animation just for the iPhone 12. So the iPhone 12 just feels special, right? So it's gonna be on 62%. I'm gonna finish the rest of the video with it on the charger, and let's see how fast it's gonna charge. All right guys, so what do you think about the iPhone 12 Pro Max? Keep calling the Pro Max. What do you guys think about the iPhone 12? I'm very excited to use the phone. I can't come on here fanboying yet because I gotta test it out. This is just kind of an unboxing, see how everything is, and hopefully you guys enjoy it and like it and may think about getting it, you know, kind of build a hype for it. I gotta be honest, I gotta run some tests on it. Give me like 2 days. I gotta run a test on it, give out a full, honest review of it, because I don't wanna be like, oh, this is gonna be the best phone, and oh, it can do this, oh, it can do that, when it can kind of do half the job. So I want to give you guys a real honest review. I'm not gonna fanboy out. Like, I'm gonna criticize Samsung or I'm gonna criticize Apple. I keep it real on this channel. I'm sorry, I'm a fan of Apple, but if this phone is trash, like this phone's going back. I still got my 10. Trust me, it will go back. I've been recording for about 3 minutes now. Again, the Magsafe is a nice product, but it's just too slow compared to a wire. So it's convenient, kinda, not really, because I don't have a USB Type-C block to carry around. So it's convenient when it wants to be. If you have a 11 going on to the 12 and your 11 Pro came with that USB block, or you bought a USB Type-C block, it's perfect for you. But when they're gonna come to speed, you're gonna be very disappointed, trust me. You're gonna wanna stick with a wire. All right guys, this is Devin Up. I completed my goals today. Thank you guys for watching. This is the goal-oriented channel. You guys already know, we get stuff done on this channel. We get all the new technology, we get all the new stuff. Look at my videos, I've got Mario, got the iPhone 12, I got the PS5 coming, got the Xbox coming. Stick around guys, man, yo, come on. Come on, subscribe. It's all good, it won't hurt. Subscribe. I make funny videos too. I make all types of videos. I make gaming videos. Bro, go look at your boy catalog. I'm underrated right now, trust me. All right guys, this is Devin Up. Thanks for watching. I got goals today, you got goals today. Let's get it done. Thanks for watching, and I'm out. Peace.